Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about how a sauna is almost as good as exercise. Recent study published in the Journal of Physiology. And the Finns have known this for a long time. In fact, the Finns have published literature showing that if you follow men over 10 to 20 years and look at their mortality drops in the range of 30 to 40% the more saunas you have. In fact, in a linear fashion, one sauna a week of just 7 to 9 minutes has a measurable effect, beneficial. 2 is better, 3 is better, 4 is better. You get as much as 30-40% reduction in all-cause mortality. That's tenfold stronger than what you get with a statin. And we now know the physiology. When you pop into a sauna, you're putting your body under stress. And there's this concept of hormesis. And hormesis is the rebound of beneficial effect after a stress. And when you're hot, you're sweating, your blood pressure has to go up, you have to pump more blood. And after the sauna, guess what? On average, your blood pressure's down 7/5 millimeters of mercury. That's as good as a pill without the pill. Well, with all those beneficial effects, we now know that metabolic syndrome gets better, blood pressure gets better, stress gets better. This is all wonderful. We should all be taking saunas all the time. So here comes the beginning of winter. Think about it. If you don't like doing it in the gym, you can buy yourself a sauna now for about $2,000. You can build yourself one, unless it's just the wiring is complicated. But you can purchase a home sauna, infrared sauna. And we're not asking you to take a 30-minute sauna. We're asking for 15 minutes, 10 minutes. That's enough. Just in there long enough to get sweaty. What will work for me? I bought myself a sauna, and I have one. I pop into it now. It's cold, can't get out and get outside much. So, take a sauna. Dr. John Whitcomb, News and Nutrition. Sauna is almost as good as exercise.